Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and this unboxing of the Astrabyss Meta, or Meta of Astrabyss as they call it. Now I've reviewed a Meta before, but they have since changed the clasp and they asked me to do another take on the watch, but another colorway. For the first one, the white one, click up here. This is, I believe, they sent the rose gold and gray version this time. Let's see. Before we get into this, really nice box. What's in here? Black envelope. We have, yeah, the metal warranty card. That's really cool. And we have instructions, right? Yeah, a nice version of the instructions. Won't be using that, will we? So drumroll. Let's see. I've gained quite a few subscribers since the first Meta. So let's see. For some of you for the first time. Papers and plastic. What's in here, my friends? We have bubble wrap. We have something. Okay, so this is how they did it. This is the other. This is the new clasp. So I guess it's the, yeah, the deployment clasp is on the watch itself currently. So I'll have to swap it out. This is the Meta. So really cool. It's like a integrated bracelet style. Diver's watch jump cut while I take off the plastic, and here we go. It's a really nice chunky watch. Let's take a look at some specs and specifications. We have a 39.5mm case, a lug to lug of 46.5mm, a thickness of 12.2mm excluding that sapphire crystal. We have a ceramic bezel insert, 120 clicks, and powering this watch is the popular Miyota 9015 high frequency movement that is in-house calibrated. Now I've reviewed quite a few watches lately with similar style cases and bracelets, and of all of the ones I have reviewed lately, this bracelet is by far the nicest. By far the nicest. So look how much plays in that. That's really cool. Best selection is, yeah. Since they are watch builders, have their own lab and so on. That bezel, yeah, it's awesome. It's just awesome. Really cool. Let's quickly check out the clasp. It's a deployment clasp. Quick adjust. And for the review video, I will, oh, it's one of these ones. That's cool. For the review video, I will put it on the watch, of course, and wear it and so on and so forth. Before we go, let's take, yeah, that's right, I have the little foldover. Now, I remember now. And is it friction? Friction fit, okay. Let's put on wrist. And this is how it wears on my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. It's a really nice watch, and I remember how comfortably it wore the white version. It's gonna be fun checking this one out for a couple of weeks, so keep your eyes open for the review coming up. Meta of Astrabyss, they call it. I have a discount code, so if you already know that you want to get one, check it out down below. And that's it guys for this time. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.